Now, right here, master scalpers, you guys are in the short with the stop above the what? If I'm right here, where would my stop be? Right here. Quick.
21.
That's right. Why not the 9? Because it's been respecting the 21. Good job. Good answer. And what did I say? I said if it can't hold the 9 here, I said, where is it going to go?
Support. Triple
Triple
bottom.
bottom.
That's right. Support, which is triple bottom. You guys see how this is a repeatable action? Thank you. 1 XRP, I see you. There you go. You guys are on support. Now, my bias is because it came back here so fast. My bias is to the downside, but you must respect the triple bottom. But it came back so fast. What do I mean by that? Well, look how long it took to get here. Long, short. See the difference? That's bearish.
Is that an upside down cup and handle?
It is. Absolutely. So, and if that's the case, isn't this the retest?
Sure is.
That's right. So if it retests and breaks, isn't that very bearish and you'll be loving life? But you still must respect the triple bottom. So if I'm waiting for the trade, like if you guys are not in anything, now right here it comes. I will wait for this to break through here and there it is. Boom. So now I got my stops above and now you guys just made more money. There's your bearish setup. Nice job. That's right. Now look at what this did though. You guys see how it wicked out? Look at the buyer's wick. If you ever see this is all buyers. Okay. So it hit the actual double bottom. This is why I had the box drawn here. It hit this double bottom and bounced. You see that?
That's also red to green, coach.
Oh, you're right. It
Coach,
was, wasn't it?
Coach, it touched yesterday's high day 581.75. That was SPY high day for yesterday.
Yep, makes sense. And that was close of day yesterday too. And you guys remember me this morning saying if I think it's going to pull, we're going to go right back down till it's going to be fighting between green and red. And that's what it just did, right?
Yep.
Coach, I nailed that. This is my signature gamma flip right there.
Yes.
Caught the perfect swing, 37% on that trade. Hammered it perfect.
Yep, I love that. Nice job.
Low risk, high reward.
Absolutely. Favorite setup. Here comes SPY again. You see how it rejected the 21 and here we are? Look at this. You see it rejected the 21 and pulled back? Oh man, look at it.
People are panicky after that pull. That's all.
For sure. Absolutely freaking out. Man, it doesn't get any more bearish than that, does it?